Do you want to discover how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording any videos, or making any videos? And I know that sounds crazy, but I'd like to invite you to a completely free training in which I'm going to show you exactly how you can succeed on YouTube without ever showing your face. And while I can't guarantee that you're going to get over 1 million subscribers, what I can guarantee is that you're going to discover the exact same tactics that I use within my YouTube business to run 9 different YouTube channels. I got over 1 million subscribers on this channel, over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels, and I want to show you exactly how you can do this too. On this free training, I'm going to show you the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to get millions of views on your videos. And look, this doesn't require some big upfront investment. This doesn't even require any technical skills. And if you look at all the people flashing across your screen right now, these are all people having success with this method. Now, while I can't promise you these results, what I can promise you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that they're using. And how do I know that? Because they all attended this same exact free training that I'm inviting you to attend today. So if you want to attend the free training, I really look forward to showing you this really unique method that I've hardly seen taught anywhere else online. And I know you're going to get a ton of value from it. I can't wait to see you at the free training. See you there.